Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right, we've got two blocks, A and B. So draw them here. They're connected with a rope. We'll call this A. We'll call this B. Block A is 15 kilograms. Block B has a mass of M. I'm going to call that M sub B, and I'll call this M sub A. A force of 60 newtons is applied to block A. The amount of time is 5 seconds. And block A moves, and therefore block B would also have to move 18 meters to the right. Okay. Well, I'm going to answer part B first. Force, the net force, is the mass times the acceleration. But it's moving both blocks because they're connected together in a rope. So it's moving both of the masses with an acceleration. We don't really know the acceleration initially, but x is going to be x0 plus v0t plus 1/2 a t squared. Since x0 is 0, and since the velocity initially is 0, then a is going to be 2x over t squared. So where I see a up here, I can just erase it and write 2x over t squared. T squared would be 25. Okay, so I solved this for m sub b, so it's going to be 15 plus m sub b is going to be 60 times 25 over 2 times 18. And then if I subtract 15 off of both sides, then I get m sub b. So, clear this thing out. 60 times 25 over 2 times 18 minus 15. So that would be 26.7 kilograms. The computer seems to be slowing down for some reason, and I don't know why. Okay, so let's move on to part A, because I actually answered part B first. I thought that was the easier part. Okay, what is the tension? What is the tension? So, we've got a force here of 60 newtons. My goodness, why is it so slow? And then we've got a tension force So you can see that there's only two forces acting on block A, and I'm trying to draw block A. There's a forward force pushing forward, and then there's a tension force. So I'm going to do, because this is also accelerating, 60 minus t, that would be the sum of the forces, equals the mass, which is 15, times the acceleration, and we already know that the acceleration is 2x over t squared. So t is going to be 60 minus 15 times 2x over t squared. Let's put that into a calculator. It's going to be 60 minus 15 times 2x, 2 times 18, over 25. And that gives me 38.4 newtons. So again, down here, I did sum of the forces for just this component, just this part, equals mass times acceleration for just this part. Thank you for watching.